Hello. Today we're going to talk about goalseek. Goalseek is the first of the what-if tools. What do we use what-if tools for? They're used when we have a model or a spreadsheet that we want to ask questions of. For example, let's say we had a very simple spreadsheet. Something like this. Input A is 6. Input B is 5. And 6 times 5 is 30. So let's say you had this question. What does input A need to be in order for the answer to be 68.4? Now, normally a question like that would be pretty annoying. You'd have to sit there and keep playing around with input A until you got an answer of 68.4 in the answer cell. Thankfully, goalseek makes this far, far easier. All I have to do is this. I go to Data. Under Data, I choose What If Analysis. I choose goalseek. I tell Excel that I'm setting this cell, what I'm looking for, this cell, to 68.4 by changing this input cell. I press OK, and in a moment, it says, goal seeking with cell F9 found a solution, target value 68.4, current value 68.4. I'm done. It's that easy. And one of the great things about goalseek is that the inputs and answers don't even have to be on the same page. For example, if say I were to say that there's input C, and input C is 4, and then I go to my second sheet here, and I'll say that answer 2 is this answer on the first sheet times this answer on the second sheet. Well, now I could ask a question like, what does input B need to be in order to make answer 2 185.9? I could use goalseek again. I could say, well, data, what if analysis, goalseek, set this answer to a value of 185.9 by changing input B. I press OK. And again, this becomes 185.9. And when I press OK and I go back, we see that input B is now 3.397295. So there you go again. It works. And it's pretty darn accurate. For example, if I were to start extending decimal places, we'd see that this really basically does work. It'll observe the rules of Excel. It'll go, say, 13 decimal places out and basically get us to an answer. There are some other issues having to do with iterations and accuracy, but in general, goalseek is going to get you pretty darn close. And there you go. That's goalseek. We'll cover the other three in separate videos.